Hello, today I'm going to show you guys how to do video recording in Engage. So I'm assuming you guys have already passed your spatial recording. So to access your spatial recording, you can just go back from Engage. It's not a file. The spatial recording is not a video file. It is a 3D spatial file that can only be run in Engage. So to access that, if you were recording on your PC, you can access from your device. If you were capturing in Vortex and you were accessing it from home, you can access from your cloud files. So it should be here. So let me just run one of my recordings just now. So I'm gonna load it up and play.
This will be recorded. So hello, I'm starting recording. All of my movement will be recorded. Even if I teleport over there, I turn my head.
So that was the spatial recording. So now I want to do my video recording. So I'm gonna go here, the same button down here as well. Go to video, and then in this case you're gonna just maintain everything here. I think you can adjust if you want. You can maintain user POV and just click on preview over here. So this will be what you will see. This is basically based on your field of view. So if you move around your user point of view, it's gonna update over here. Alright, so now you will press record first. Press record from the video first, and then you're gonna play back from the spatial recording. So let's say right now I'm gonna have this. Press record, go to active, open it, wake up, and then you scroll back to the front.
This will be recorded. So hello, I'm starting recording. So all of my movement will be recorded. Even if I teleport over there, I turn my head, move over there, turn my head, everything. If I press it again, and then you see this blink is basically like moving, then you know it's recording. So time is running up, so you're gonna.
So that was the recording. Let's stop there. So when it says that, video saved to device. So now you know the recording has been saved. You can upload to the file to the cloud as well. If you want to access it from your dashboard, wait for it to upload, and then it's already here. So now you have your video. Where is the video located? If you're doing this on the PC, you should be able to access this from your My Documents, and there will be an Engage folder, and in your Engage folder there will be My Videos. So this is the recording. Just
record. Go to access. Record. Move over there. Recording. Time is running up, so you're gonna.
So that was the video recording. If you're on a Mac, supposedly it is saved in the home and then open Engage folder. So you just basically open it from your Mac, just search on your Explorer Engage, and you should be able to see a similar folder as Engage, and you should have everything here as well. So this is basically the same thing that you can access from your dashboard as well. If you open up your dashboard and you go to files, you can get here your videos. So this was the recording. So by right you should have this in your cloud, and if you were saving it on your device, you can access it from here, or if you're using on the device on the Mac, then you can access it from here. Alright, so I think that covers it. So you can have multiple angles of the same spatial recording. So let's say I already have that one recording, then I have, let's just load back the same recording as well. Every time
this will be recorded ends, so hello,
it just unloads for some reason, so automatically. So let's say maybe from here I want to use a different angle. So maybe I move to here and then go to video. So now my angle is from here. So I'm gonna press record over here. It's active.
Turn my head, everything. If I press it again, and then you see this blink is basically like moving, then you know it's recording. Time is running up, so you're gonna.
So then stop. Same format as before. Copy, upload, copy, save, and then you would have that in the My Videos as the other recording.
It's active. Turn my head, everything. If I press it again, and then you see this blink is basically like moving, then you know it's
that is basically it. So hopefully that helps, and all the best with your assignments. All right, thank you.